Inside the heart. The heart is about the size of your clenched fist.
It has thick muscular walls and is divided into two pumps by a septum.
Each pump has two chambers.
The upper chamber is called the atrium and the lower chamber is called the ventricle.
The atrium receives blood coming in from the veins. The blood flows through a one-way valve which makes sure it always moves in the correct direction into the lower chamber called the ventricle. The ventricle has thick, strong walls that contract to squeeze the blood through another valve out into the arteries.